Hello friends, in the last video we discussed about Millman's theorem and example problem. In this video I would like to tell you what is maximum power transfer theorem and proof for maximum power transfer theorem. Maximum power transfer theorem statement is there. First let's see the statement for maximum power transfer theorem. It states that maximum power is delivered from source to load when the load resistance is equal to the source resistance or Thevenin's resistance. It means if our source have some internal resistance, we know this, so every source have this some internal resistance. That internal resistance is equal to the load resistance. If suppose that internal resistance is equal to the load resistance, then the maximum power is delivered from the source to load. That is stated by the maximum power transfer theorem. Let take this circuit. This is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, let take this circuit. This is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. uh, Here internal resistance for the source is RTH. RTH means Thevenin's resistance. This is the load resistance. If the Thevenin's resistance is equal to the load resistance, then the maximum power is delivered from the source to load. If the RL equal to RTH, then only the maximum power is transferred from the source to load. Okay, this is proof for maximum power transfer theorem. In this proof, we will go to see why the maximum power is delivered from source to load only when source resistance is equal to the load resistance. Okay, first consider this circuit, this Thevenin's equivalent circuit. VTH is the Thevenin's voltage, RTH is the Thevenin's resistance, RL is the load resistance. We know load current is IL. IL equal to total voltage by total resistance. I is equal to, I is nothing but current. Current is equal to voltage by resistance. VTH by, here resistance is RTH plus RL. Okay. Then see power formula. Power equal to I square L by RL. Here we need to calculate the power at the load. Power at the load is represented by PL is equal to IL square plus RL. IL square is square of the load current into load resistance. Okay, here we have one condition for transferring maximum power from load to source. Oh, sorry, from source to load. Maximum power is delivered from source to load. The condition is d by drl PL. PL is nothing but load of power of load. Okay, we simply differentiate the power of load with respect to the load resistance and equate it to 0. This is the condition for maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, here power is nothing but the I square into R at load. That's why we keep here L, IL square into RL equal to 0. In the previous paper we saw I square. I is nothing but the voltage by resistance, that is VTH by RTH plus RL. Here square is there, that's why we simply square the VTH square, VTH and RTH plus RL into RL equal to 0. Okay, here we are differentiating with respect to RL, so VTH is constant. Keep the constant as outside of the differentiation, that is VTH into d by drl into RL by RTH plus RL square equal to 0. In this side VTH is multiplied with this term, and we move this VTH to this side, and this is divided, this is in the form of divided by. Okay, 0 by anything is 0. Okay, and the next step is d by drl into RL by RTH plus RL whole square equal to 0. Now it is in the form of d by dx into, sorry, d by du into u by v form. U by v form. U by v form. Differentiation of u by v is nothing but u dash v minus v dash u by v square. Here u is RL, V is RTH plus RL whole square. First, differentiate RL with respect to RL. We get 1 into V. V means RTH plus RL whole square minus U, that is RL into differentiate this V. Differentiate this V means 2 into RTH plus RL. Okay. By V square. V is nothing but here RTH plus RL whole square, and again square the same term RTH plus RL whole square. Okay, equal to 0. Now move this term to this term this side, and this term also get 0. Then we have only the numerator term, that is RTH square. Expand this term in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab, RTH square plus RL square plus 2 RTH RL. Okay, minus here 2 RL is there. Multiply this 2 RL into inside the terms, 2 RL into RTH minus 2 RL square equal to 0. Here plus 2 RTH RL minus 2 RTH RL get cancel. Then we have only and here RL square minus 2 RL square, we get only minus RL square, and move this minus RL square into this side, then we get RTH square is equal to RL square. Cancel the squares, then we get RTH equal to RL. RTH equal to RL means, what is RTH? RTH is nothing but Thevenin's resistance. RL is nothing but load resistance. That means this by using this condition we get RTH equal to RL. RTH equal to RL means, as the statement itself says, that whenever the RTH equal to RL, then only the maximum power is transferred. Okay, next see power. Here we know P max means maximum power. Maximum power equal to, we already seen the power formula. P is equal to I square into R. Okay, I square, I is nothing but V by R. V is VTH by RTH plus RL whole square into RL. This is the formula, this is the equation for power. Okay, the same thing is written here. This is the power. In the previous paper we get RTH equal to RL. So simply substitute wherever there is RTH, RTH in the place of RL. Okay, that is RTH equal to RL. That's why I keep RL in the place of RTH here. VTH square by RL plus RL whole square into RL. Here RL plus RL is equal, RL plus RL equal to 2RL. RL plus RL equal to 2RL. Square of 2RL is nothing but 4RL square into RL. Here RL into RL square can get cancelled. Then we get only 1 RL in the denominator. And the final power is VTH square by 4RL. This is the maximum power delivered from the source to load when the source resistance is equal to load resistance. P max equal to VTH square by 4RL is the maximum power formula. Okay, whenever you get a question, what is the maximum power delivered from the source to load when the source resistance equal to load resistance, means this is the formula. Simply substitute the terms in this formula, then we get the maximum power VTH square by 4RL. This is about maximum power transfer theorem. You have any doubt, comment me in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.